everyone. So let's recap when learning from today's session, beginning with Shuddhita.
So we learned today about the acronyms. So basically, the acronyms are the words we make for ourselves to learn the few things. Like for rainbow, we have the colors Vibgyor. We have the acronym for it.
Right. Similarly, we can have an acronym for Anchor, where
Yeah.
A could stand for
Audience.
Audience Connect.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. N for
New.
New. So
New
you could.
ideas, new opportunities, everything new.
Okay. Yes. C.
कॉन्फिडेंस किस तरीके से बिल्डअप कर सकते हैं हम लोग लाइक अगर हम लोग कुछ आता है तो लाइक अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं तो हम लोग जा
Right. And how we handle contingency, because things can go in another manner. Yes. H.
ह्यूमर
Humor.
सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर अच्छा होना चाहिए.
Thank you, Suganji. Yes. O.
O is for observe.
Yes, observe and also create opportunities. Right? Progress is better than perfection. So whenever any opportunity comes, raise your hand. R.
R stands for research, result and relax and reliance.
That's right. So research. Make sure that you study the topic on which you are anchoring. Resilience. Okay. Yes, Lakshay.
Well, the thing I learned from today's session would be trying and learning new things. Curiosity होना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Yes, curiosity very essential for an anchor.
Presence of mind.
Yes, you have to be spontaneous.
I learn about confidence.
And would you be able to interject if the answer coming from the guest is too long?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
How anchor works and what anchor do when commentaries or they cover news.
Okay. Thank you.
We learn about different parties, manifestos and elections.
Right. So if the election season is on, it's important that we are aware of political parties. So how many national parties India has?
6.
6 of them. Yes. You're learning today.
I learned about how to build confidence and all.
Okay.
I learned about absorption and how to stand out alone and being a confident anchor in my future.
Okay.
I learn about कि एंकर कैसे काम करते हैं एंड उनका क्या सब कुछ
कैसे करता है काम एंकर?
मतलब उनको
पढ़ना पड़ता है.
हाँ रिसर्च एंड
तो चुनाव में आज नई बात क्या पता लगी आपको?
कि उनके अलग अलग
मैनिफेस्टो का नाम क्या है, किस पे बल दे रहे हैं? All of this is very essential. See, it may be a half an hour program, 10 minutes program, 1 hour program, but it does take a lot of effort. Yes.
I learned to get aware about the news what is being taught in today's world.
Okay. Thank you.
I learned about communication skills and language कि अगर हम इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं whether we are talking in English और हिंदी हमें एक लैंग्वेज में पकड़ बनानी है जो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है
बिल्कुल
एंकर के लिए.
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि भाषा बहुत सशक्त माध्यम है और नए शब्द भी सीखें. जैसे आज हमने सीखा reiterate.
Yes,
Right?
repeat.
हाँ, repeat.
Yes.
Very nice.
Always grab the new opportunities.
Yes. So when they ask कौन सामने आएगा, कौन वॉलंटियर करेगा, तो जैसे लक्ष्य सामने आया, शिम्पी सामने आई, जब जब मौका मिले सामने आइए.
I learned fight with your fears. Nothing is if you are getting any opportunity, you just have to grab that and you don't have to be nervous at that point of time.
Absolutely. ऐसा नहीं है कि श्रुति है तो नर्वसनेस पे पेटेंट हो गया. ठीक है. नर्वसनेस थोड़ी हो सकती है, लेकिन आपका कुछ कर गुजरने की जो चाह है वो उस डर से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. राइट? यस.
My today learning was how to interact in any type of topic.
यस. कोई भी टॉपिक क्यों ना आ जाए, आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि जनाब मैं सिर्फ पॉलिटिक्स करूँगा, सिर्फ खेल करूँगा. आप खेल की खबर पढ़ रहे हैं, तब कोई पॉलिटिक्स की बड़ी खबर आ गई, संस्कृति की आ गई. यस.
Today I learned that always have a smile whenever you are reporting and always listen to the answer that you are
Yes. So
interviewing.
be a good listener and smile is the best makeup.
और मगर पहले एंकरिंग करने जाते हैं तो हम अपने आप को प्रिपेयर रखना है कि कौन सा टॉपिक आ जाए और खुद से जो हो सके हम उस पर बोलते हैं.
That's right. तो आप तैयारी ज़रूर करिए, वो काम आएगी और फिर उसको अडेप्ट कर लीजिए. Okay, let's come to the others. Let's recap one learning from today's session on anchoring.
We grab the opportunity and whenever we get the opportunity just go and go with the flow.
Okay. Did you enjoy being the national spokesperson's role today?
बी अ गुड ऑब्जर्वर और नई नई चीज़ों को लो और सीखो और अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को ग्रैब करो.
Thank you.
How to tackle any situation in live programs.
Okay. Yes. So situations can happen in live programs. Build the ability to tackle them.
Which skills are required to be a good anchor and how how they will help you in future when you will be there.
And a good anchor takes care of his or her health, right? And health does not only mean physical, mental, emotional, spiritual. You may have to do for hours and hours program. How do you maintain yourself? Yes,
Don't panic and just relax and believe in yourself.
that's right. So if some contingency happen, just relax. Deep breathing, solution will happen.
Sir, I learned about how an anchor should have good communication skills and how he or she should face the camera. And I really loved your sense of humor, which is very important.
Thank
And
you.
also, I learned about NPP, which I never knew this party existed.
Right. So India's got 6 national parties. We're all aware of the INC, BJP, Aam Aadmi Party, right? Then they've got the Bahujan Samaj Party, CPIM, and the one you mentioned, Nationalist People's Party.
Presence of mind is a key component in anchoring, and that's why we say mental health is important.
Mental health very important. Yes,
We should have good command on the language, both Hindi and English as your native language.
that's right. And continuously build upon it. Learn new words, and whatever new addition you have to your vocabulary, apply them as well.
हमें सीखने को मिला कि एंकर को सबसे ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस रहना चाहिए बोलते वक्त और उसके चेहरे पे एक स्माइल होनी चाहिए, इससे पॉजिटिविटी क्रिएट होती है.
जी, जो भी बोले आत्मविश्वास से. जैसे आपने देखा सुगंध जी ने बड़े आत्मविश्वास से जब आंसर दिया, ऐसे सोच भी थी आत्मविश्वास के साथ.
सर कॉन्फिडेंट रहना चाहिए, किसी भी चीज़ को लेकर डरना नहीं चाहिए.
जी, करके आगे. जी, मैडम.
हमने सीखा कि एक एंकर को उसका प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड रखना चाहिए, कॉन्फिडेंट होना चाहिए और हमें अपनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ग्रैब करनी चाहिए.
थैंक यू.
Smile and confidence key components are to conversation.
स्माइल वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंग्रेडिएंट. यस.
एक अच्छा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर भी होना चाहिए और अपने इमोशंस ऐसे ही लाइव शो पर दिखा सकते हैं. जैसे कोई गिर गया, जैसे आपने एग्जांपल दिया, तो आप वो अपने इमोशन कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा और कंटिन्यू करना पड़ेगा जब तक चीज़ें नॉर्मल.
That's right. What if one of the guests falls, right? So you have to continue and still maintain the show.
एंकर को कभी भी एब्सेंट माइंड नहीं होना चाहिए, हर सिचुएशन को टैकल करने का कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए उसमें.
Absolutely. So the anchor has to be conscious at all times. So thank you everyone, and lovely interacting with all of you. All the best. Thank you.